What you are looking at is a disaster behind this door. You ready?
Can I open it?
Phew. Now this is a mess. Today, pantry organization. By the way, this is what I use for my plastic bags. I just stuff them in the top, and then you can pull one out. It's called the Bag from Amazon. I love this thing so much. You just pull on the bottom, take a bag out. Love it. I'm starting to take everything out, starting with the cans, and lo and behold, make sure your sprinkles are always closed well. I'm human. Okay, so I finally finished my can area. I put everything next to each other, my beans, my tuna. I should have put the baked beans over here, but that's okay. So I suggest when you're doing this, you do one shelf at a time. That way it's less stuff all over your kitchen. And writing down what you have, creating an inventory sheet. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. And so this is the inventory sheet that I started writing while I was putting everything back in. So now I know how many cans of kidney beans I have, how much cans of corn, how much crushed pineapple, soups, potatoes, like just so I know. Now, when I sit down to meal plan, all I have to do is sit down with my papers that I write, and I know what I have on hand. As I'm working on the very bottom, down here where I keep my oil, my cup of soups, my potatoes, my onions, and my garlic is in there. My juice mixes, my gallons of water, gallons of juice, protein mix, protein shakes, and my unopened boxes of cereal. I thought I would show you guys what I do with my open boxes of cereal. So inside, the bag is still rolled like usual, and then I fold it, which I learned on the internet quite some time ago, and I've been doing it ever since, and it's just like an extra security. So I just keep it shut like that, and it ends up looking like a little milk carton. So super cool. And working on this, still going. Okay, I finished as much as I could possibly get done today. So this is how I ended up doing the pantry. So this up here is always gonna look a mess because all the open bags of chips are there, and then I have like the bins with all the loose snacks in it, and then all this stuff over here. So that's all open. It's just a snack area for the top. The second one, I do my pasta sides, all my like salt and sesame oil and seasonings there. My extras all go here, so all these are unopened. Peanut butter, I believe there's ketchup and stuff back there, syrup, and then I have my flour and stuff back there as well, and the sugar. And then I have my marshmallows. I keep my bread here. I do need a loaf of bread, so that's why there's a big spot right there. The second shelf, I put my baking stuff. Also, there's a nice little tip that I want to show you. So on all my baking boxes and a lot of my other boxes, which you can see, I put the date of expiration so I don't have to take it out and look at it. So I just put the expiration date so that way I can take the stuff out and use it as I see fit. So I do that. This is why I keep the extras back there. I still need to fill up the flour, but I fill these up and then I put the extras up in the second shelf. So there's this, all my boxes. Then down here are all of my cans, which I showed earlier. My open cereals, some rice, all the mac and cheese in the back there, and then my pastas. And then down at the bottom, like I showed previously, still looks the same. So that is what my pantry is looking like right now. Way better than the beginning. If you scroll back to the beginning and look at the before picture, not good. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.